Just for fun, that is 1 degree outside and 32 degrees in my garage that's insulated. It is brutally windy. I'm going to go out and attempt to try and start the 2500. Let's go do this. All right, down here. Holy moly, look at that windshield. All right, 1 degrees. I am dying. My power steering pump hates life, but it's moving molasses. Oil pressure's coming up. This is, what are we at here? 50 and 1800, and we're cruising in lockup. So quiet in here. The fans are actually loud. The stupid heat. It's probably one of the loudest things in here. I mean, that's very livable. This is what makes these things so much fun.